Good morning. Today I, Ayushi, NCC cadet from 2nd Jayanti Girls Battalion is here with a video on the topic Indian Army, a symbol of unity in diversity. In spite of India's large size and diverse religion cultures, Indian Army is a shining example of unity in diversity. Indian Army is the second largest army in terms of military person in the world. Since they all are from different parts of India, they belong to different religions. But equal respect to all religion is a priority in the Indian Army. Be it namaz, morning mass or mandir, those who belong to Indian Army attend everything. In our Indian Army, all the festivals are celebrated with lot of love and joy. Whether it is Diwali or Eid, Lohri, Holi or Christmas, all festivals are celebrated together, hence promoting the idea of equality. Since attaining independence, the soldiers have gained respect in all battles while helping countrymen in the time of natural and human disasters, and they have earned our love and gratitude. The Indian Army has emerged as a professional, non-political and humanitarian army in the last 7 decades. No army in the world has the unique experience of fighting at temperature of minus 50 degrees Celsius at Siachen Glacier and at the hot temperature of 50 degrees Celsius at Thar Desert. They take all the risk while serving the nation, but they never ever discriminate each other on the basis of their religion, because for them they are a soldier first and they love their uniform more than their religion. Till then, a big thank to all of them who all left their families and went at the borders to serve their nation. Thank you. Jai Hind.